Hi all, welcome to TCM Education. Let's analyze yesterday's picks. 5 picks: INTC, Intel, IREN, OKLO, and Pony. In the description you will find more about why those picks and basically a little bit of info, but now let's dive into basically the interesting trades from yesterday. First of all, let's take a look at the S&P 500 and the price action in the S&P, and you tell me if you can see anything interesting. Take a look at this awful gap closure, and then we moved higher into the close to close at 663 and up 0.28%. So overall a positive close, but the price action most of the trading day was horrible. Okay, trending lower and horrible. Now with regard to the individual picks, two good picks out of the 5. Pony, first of all. Why Pony? Because it was a clear gap up and go situation. Hold on a second, let me move actually to the 5 minute to the 3 minute. It will be clearer on the chart. So this is the 3 minute intraday chart of Pony. So and again you can clearly see the gap up and go in the stock in the first minutes, and this is basically it. I mean, after the gap up and go where it moves from the 2250 area to the 2380 area, so that there was profit to be taken on this 5% move. That was it. Basically the stock did zero the rest of the trading day. Another interesting pick was IREN, and the reason for IREN was this reversal from this 44 level up to the highs of the day at 46. And again, the morning session very choppy. So it spiked up on a gap up and go, then it broke under the lows, then it moved higher. I mean, what kind of price action is that? Horrible. At least there was some continuity on this reversal where it tested the 44. There was a clear entry at 44. I agree that the stop loss was way bigger than expected, pretty much at the lows of the day. But you know, you want to trade something in IREN yesterday, obviously the risk reward was good enough. So if I want to summarize what happened yesterday, 2 picks, 2 good picks. The rest of the picks were totally off charts, nothing to show in INTC or OKLO or Electronic Arts. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Do like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.